In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Facebook ads using Gcash in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or someone looking to promote your content on Facebook, understanding how to fund your ad campaigns efficiently is crucial. Fortunately, with the convenience of Gcash, managing your Facebook ad spend can be both easy and straightforward. First things first, let's navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your Facebook marketing efforts, including your ads. Once you're on the Business Manager page, you'll need to log in with your Facebook account. Select Login with Facebook and proceed by choosing the account you wish to use for managing ads. This integration ensures that all your marketing tools and assets are in one accessible place, providing a seamless transition between personal and professional use on the platform. After successfully logging in, let's direct our attention to the lower left panel of the Business Manager. Here you'll find the Ads section. Clicking on this will take you deeper into your advertising toolkit. The next step is to click on Ads Manager. This is where all your ad campaigns are created, managed, and analyzed. The Ads Manager is a powerful tool offering insights and controls over your advertising outcomes. Now here's where we start tailoring your payment options to suit your needs. Within the Ads Manager, look for the option or link that leads to billing and payments. This section is crucial for managing how you fund your ad campaigns and keep track of your spending. Once you're in the billing and payments area, your next move is to locate the payment settings. This might require a bit of scrolling, but it's there, I promise. In payment settings, you have an overview of all your payment methods and transactions. At this point, it's time to add funds to your account specifically for your Facebook ads. Look for the button or link that says Add Funds. It's here that you're going to select Gcash as your preferred mode of payment. This option is incredibly convenient for those who use Gcash regularly and prefer to keep their transactions digital and centralized. Once you've selected Gcash, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to add to your Facebook ads account. Be thoughtful about your budget and how much you anticipate spending on your campaigns. After inputting the desired amount, click on Next. This action will bring you to the final step, which is essentially to open Gcash and confirm the top-up process. This integration between Facebook and Gcash ensures a smooth transaction, making it easier for you to keep your ad campaigns funded and running. Now, it's important to remember, while this process is designed to be as seamless as possible, you'll want to ensure that your Gcash account has sufficient funds before proceeding. This not only saves time, but also secures your payment process without hitches. To summarize, starting from the Facebook Business Manager, logging in, navigating through the Ads section to Ads Manager, and finding your way to billing and payments, all the way to selecting Gcash as your payment method, adding funds and topping up, the entire process is designed with user-friendliness in mind. With just a few clicks, you can securely fund your Facebook ad campaigns directly from your Gcash account. Remember, the power of Facebook ads lies in their ability to target specific audiences with precision, making your ad spend all the more effective. By following these steps to fund your campaigns with Gcash, you're not just simplifying the payment process, you're also taking a critical step in optimizing your digital marketing efforts. So whether you're promoting your latest product, increasing brand awareness, or driving traffic to your website, knowing how to efficiently manage your ad spend with Gcash can make all the difference. Happy advertising, and here's to your success on Facebook.